So I'm making a Minecraft mod where you can hire NPCs to fight with you and talk like a real player, kind of like followers in Skyrim. Right now he looks like Steve, but the final mod these will have player skins, so it'll look just like real players. So first of all, you can hire them. What does that mean? If you activate them with your hand empty, they'll let you know their price, their fee, or whatever. If you talk to them with one, they'll say that's not enough. And finally, if you talk to them with everything, they say, okay, cool, I'll follow you now. So if I walk around, you see he's actually following me, right? Um, I could also tell him to stay. So if I activate him now again with an empty hand, he'll say, I'll wait here. See, he's not following me. And I activate him again, and then he'll follow. Right? And you could also dismiss them, meaning, stop following you. But if you sneak and then activate them, and then that's it. You see, he's no longer my follower. Right? So that's the hiring process. They'll follow you, fight with you, etc. But I think the real, like the most important feature of this mod is the dialogue, what I like to call contextual dialogue. So if I hire him again, I'll show you what I mean. If I eat this apple, okay. So there's a cooldown, right? Meaning, if he just talked, we just spoke, he won't say anything for, I don't know, 60 seconds or something. I need to adjust that. But let's try this next one. So if I change the day, time is set day, right? Oh, it's already day, right? But you see, he said morning already. I could use some sleep. So stuff like that, really. Right. So the list of things. When the morning changes, you can see a new day, blah blah blah. At nighttime, when combat starts, when his health is low, you know what I mean, when the rain just started. If you eat something, it's like food, I could eat too, right? Um, so that's mainly what I have so far. Up next, I'm gonna make them look like actual Minecraft players with player skins. You could exchange your inventory with them. So you could put like weapons and potions for them to use. And a couple other stuff, right? But that's mainly what's next. And I actually used AI to make this. So chatgpt, I just had a conversation, right? I say I'm thinking of making a Minecraft mod, let me think about the flow, blah 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 blah. Right? So eventually we got to something that I was satisfied with. I was like, okay, cool, looks good. Write a prompt that I could give to my coding agent, right? And this is the prompt here. Higher end, follow on wait, dismissal, the dialogue, right? And I just drop that in VS Code as is, right? I just changed one thing, one little thing at the end. Scroll a little bit down, right? So instead of saying, implement this step by step, go ahead and build the whole thing. This is a tip for something that I usually do is ask for a plan first, just to make sure, ask for a plan, and if there are any assumptions, ask clarifying questions, right? So it asks, how should a companion appear? How should their name be assigned? Just choose random names. What should they look like? Look like Steve, etc. So these were the questions that it wasn't sure about, and I told it to, oh fuck, okay, I kind of ramble in here. Let me get to the point, right? So it made the mod, right? And then I said, okay, launch Minecraft, boom, the game is running, blah, 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 blah. And this is how we could test. So you could spawn a companion with the egg, right click to hire, follow and wait, dismiss dialog. So that's what we have so far. I'll see you in the next video when I have more updates.